So each holiday season, I always struggle to come up with a good gift for my closest friends. But this year, I came across an idea that I think can actually be recycled every year. It costs $0, and it's probably my favorite gift idea I've ever come up with so far. That's especially good for the end of the year. And that gift idea is essentially just compiling all the photos and videos of all the moments that you've spent together throughout the year. And so far, I'm still in the middle of doing this and I haven't actually gifted it to my friends yet. So it's not technically a Christmas gift, it's more like the end of the year type gift, but you can call it a Christmas gift since it's close enough in date. So basically all that I did was go into photos on my iPhone, and there's a section where you can select the people. I select the friend that I want to give this gift to, and then basically add all the photos into my MacBook Pro, and then from there I add it to Premiere Pro. Using Premiere Pro, there's a metadata where you can just access the creation date, and then I set it to 1.5 seconds for each photo to exist, and then drag it onto the timeline. From there, I basically have a good amount of it done, but I do want to add videos as well. Unfortunately, I don't keep a lot of my videos in Photos, and it's like a whole different thing that I have to do. For me personally, I put a lot of my videos into YouTube and just leave it unlisted. So I have to go back into YouTube and re-download them and then add them back. It's a good amount of work, but I'm willing to do it for my friends because, you know, I think it's like a really good gift idea. So after I do that, I just sprinkle the videos in after some photos and then just keep doing that until it's done throughout the whole year. So far, the one that I've pretty much made in completion is about 6 minutes long. So it's a good amount of time, but again, I think it's a really, really good gift. After watching it, or even in the process of finding those photos and videos, I am enjoying myself just reflecting on all the memories I've had with that person. And it's also very specific to that person. The gift is very unique to that person because only you've shared those moments with that person. And one of the cool aspects for me personally is that this year I've been writing a good amount of music, and some of those original pieces that I've created that are piano originals are specifically made for specific friends for their birthdays. So using that as the background music in combination with the photos and videos of us is to me, it seems so too perfect almost, especially for a gift that's just like this year we've gotten a lot closer as friends and stuff like that. I've been able to make them a music original, and we have all these photos and videos and memories, and it's just to me it feels like such a nice epiphany to have, to just make this the gift that I want to give them this year for the holiday season. So that's essentially it. That's the video. It's a video gift idea that I came up with, and maybe you can also apply it. You will, I guess for me personally, I've been taking a lot of videos and photos of each event and each memory that I have with my friends. So I think it's great to actually put it to use, or at least to have a time where you get to look at all of them from the past year, instead of it just sitting in my phone and occasionally being seen if we bring up a memory. So it sort of rounds out the year. At the same time, it tells your friend that you care a lot because you're spending the time to make it. And then it's also just nice for you personally because you get to see all the past memories you've shared with this friend. So hopefully this gift idea can inspire some of you guys out there. For now, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a good holiday season.